Hello students, so today we are going to talk about the two types of animations in Flash. One is called frame to frame animation and second is called tween animation. In the last video, we explained you how to do the tween animation. Right now we are going frame by frame animation, right? So for that we need one object. Uh, Today I'm not going to take any objects or create any object here. I'm going to import an image from my computer. Fine. So you have to go to the fill and go to the import. Click here, import to the stage. Here we have so many images, or otherwise you can go to the internet and check any image. And for example, this image, this is having something is written over there. I don't like this, I don't want this. So what you have to do, right click over there and click on open with paint and choose for the image with a white background. Fine. Now click on the crop. Now we can crop or delete the unwanted part of my image. Once the double-sided arrow comes, then you can do it. Nowadays in the mobile, I think all of you know how to do cropping. Okay. So like this we can delete the unwanted part of our image, and then once I click on save a copy, it is saved in my computer. So I have already selected it, saved it. So click on open. So this image I have. Right now in the first frame, right click, insert frame. Fine. And go for the free transformation tool and drag it here. Now I go to the fourth or third frame, right click and insert keyframe. Fine. After insert keyframe, click on the free transformation tool. You can see one square is there with the small squares on the each and every edge. Fine. It helps us to rotate our image. So once you rotate image and drag it, then again go to the next frame, right click, insert keyframe, then again rotate it first and drag it. Again after 2 or 3 frames you have to do the same thing. It takes lots of time, and drag it. So after every 3 or 4 frames you have to set the frames. Click on the keyframe, insert keyframe, rotate your image and then drag it. Insert keyframe, rotate your image and then drag. Same thing again. Then again right click, insert keyframe, click on free transformation, click here, yeah. Then again rotate, drag it. Go after 3 or 4 frames, rotate and drag it. So it's your wish. If you want to do it on the working area also, you can do it, but remember, whatever you are doing in the work area, it is not going to come in your animation. And we can drag it till here. Fine. Now let us see how it will work. Click on the first one and you can go to the control, click on the play. My wheel is rotating right now, or you can go to the control and click on the test movie, how it will look in the movie. So it look like this. So you can see what is in the stage, only the animation, whatever you are doing on the stage, it will come, and whatever we draw on the gray area, that is my workstation area, whatever animation we are going to do, it will not come in the animation. Now what is the second type of animation, that is tween animation. So go to the new and click on OK. Go to the file and then import to the stage. We want the same image right now. This is my first frame. Right click, insert frame and drag it to the first position. Fine. Now you can click on your last frame, click on insert frame, click and drag your object till where you want to see the motion, and go to the first frame, right click here and click on the create motion tween. Fine, drag it in the first position. Yes, now we want to see control play. It is not working. Yes, why? Go to the 45 frame, insert frame and drag it to the last position, and here I click on the first one and move tween. Motion tween is there. Let's see what happened. Now it is working, but it is not rotating. Why it is not rotating? So for that we have to go and check in the property. You see in the tween it's showing motion, fine, but in the rotation it is auto. So for that we have to do it clockwise. Fine. Once we do it clockwise, and now we can go for the alt enter. You can see now my wheel is moving and going. Now it's very easy if you compare the two animations. By first one it was frame by frame and second is by motion tween. In both my wheel is moving, and in frame by frame method it's difficult. It takes lots of time because we have to choose so many keyframes and then we have to show the animation. But in the motion tween the same thing is happening, same motion, and with a little bit of time, without so many work. So why we need frame to frame animation then? We need frame to frame animation in those cases where we have to do some changes on my image, on my object. For example, I go to the file, click on the and click on OK. Now click on the brush tool. With the blue color I make a circle, Control Z, do it again, choose brush tool, and then I just make a dancing boy. As my drawing is not good, you can use objects and make it so fine, like this. Now I go to the fifth frame, right click there and click on insert keyframe. Fine. Now freeform selection, and make sure that each and every part is selected. Okay, right click and drag it. Now I erase this part and this part. See? And with the help of brush tool I'm just making it like this. Again, after 2 or 3 frames, right click on the frame, insert keyframe, same thing, free transformation tool, drag it, erase it, and do the changes whatever you want in your image. use brush tool, and please erase if anything you draw by mistake. Fine. Then again right click on any frame, insert keyframe, choose the free transformation tool, drag it, and then again I erase it. And then I choose the brush tool, like this. Fine. So now let us see how it works. Control and enter. You can see it is moving, hands and legs are moving. But if this is possible because of the frame by frame animation. If I'm doing same thing with the help of motion tween, then what will happen? For example, this is my image, fine, and this one. I go for the 40th frame, right click, insert frame, and I just drag this image. Sorry. Again, click here. No, not every part is not selected again. Not selected again. We have to do. Yes, now it's okay. Right click, now left click and drag it the last position. Now I go to the first one, click here, create motion tween, and remember to drag it again to the first position here. Now let us see what happened. What happened here? Right click, insert frame, and then select the image and drag it here. Control enter. Now you can see the same object is moving, but we can't do animations in the middle one. Okay, in the middle. So why we use frame by frame animation? Because it's a long method, but if we want to do animations in the middle, we can do it. Fine. If we want to do changes, if we want to do animations in the between, we can do it with the help of frame by frame method. Otherwise, if you don't want to do any change, or normally you want to rotate it, you can use with the help of motion tween. Let us do it again. Go to the file, and what I do, new one, okay, and I create the same object. Oh my god, do this. Fine. And what I do, I go to the last one, frame, right click first, right click here and create motion tween. Right click here on any frame, insert frame, and insert frame. Just go and select it and drag it here. Now once come here in the clockwise, then what happened? It will move. How it is going to move? Fine. So by tween method, we can't do the animations what we want. So for making the object to be animated in the between also, different parts of the object, we need frame by frame method. Hope the difference between frame by frame and the second one, tween, is clear to you. Fine. We will do more animations in the next video. You can please go for the practice for all these.